Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to convert a column to all caps in Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial for you guys to follow, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin first by selecting the column after the one you want to create. So let's say we want to create a new column in between A and B, because that's what we're going to have to do in order to make column A all capital. So I'm going to select column B here. I'm going to right click on B and then left click on insert. Now that we have a blank column here, we're going to try and convert all of our column A to capital letters. So we're going to first start with the top one first. So right now in B3 I'm going to type in equals upper PPER, so UPPER, and then I'm going to left click on the employee, which is my A3 value, and then I'm going to do an end parenthesis in there. So now it should be capital letters. And now if I just drag it down, because it's formula driven, all of these should now become capital. So at this point, if you want to delete column A, you're more than welcome to. So now that you've done that, I would suggest before deleting column A, you should make sure all of these are text. So if I just highlight over the whole column, I right click on the top, left click on copy, and then I go back up to B, right clicking again on the top, and then left click on just the normal paste 1, 2, 3 values. This is the one you want to select. Then you just clicked on that one time. Now if you click on any of these cells, it should just say the name and not a formula. So at this point you're safe to delete the A column, so I'm just going to delete that. And there you go guys, simple as that. And I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.